Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, you'll learn how to use Wrike step by step to manage projects, tasks, and teamwork efficiently. Let's get started. Step 1, log into your Wrike account. Go to the Wrike website and sign in with your email and password. Once inside, you'll see your main dashboard. Step 2, understand the workspace layout. On the left side, you'll find folders, projects, and spaces. The center shows tasks, and the right panel displays details for selected items. Step 3, create a new project. Click the plus new button and select project. Give it a name, set start and due dates, and choose its location inside your workspace. Step 4, add tasks to your project. Open the project and click New Task. Enter a task name, description, deadline, and assign it to a team member. Step 5, use task statuses. Mark tasks as new, in progress, completed, or custom statuses to track progress easily. Step 6, set dependencies. You can link tasks so one starts after another finishes. This helps manage timelines properly. Step 7, use different views. Switch between list view, board view, and Gantt chart to see your work in different formats. Step 8, collaborate with your team. Comment on tasks, attach files, and tag teammates using at mentions to keep communication organized. Step 9, track progress with dashboards. Create dashboards to see deadlines, workload, and project status at a glance. That's it. With these steps, you can fully use Wrike to organize work and improve team productivity. See you in the next guide.